Overdrafting a TD bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. TD Bank may offer overdraft protection programs that allows you to link another eligible TD bank account, such as a savings account or a line of credit to your checking account. If you make a transaction that exceeds the available balance in your checking account, TD Bank may transfer funds from the linked account to cover the transaction. If you don't have sufficient funds in your account and you've opted into overdraft protection, TD Bank may still approve certain transactions, but you'll be charged an overdraft fee for each transaction that overdrafts your account. These fees can vary depending on the bank's policies and the type of account you have. You may also have the option to opt out of overdraft protection programs, meaning that TD Bank will decline transactions that exceed the available balance in your account instead of approving them and charging overdraft fees. It's important to carefully consider whether overdraft protection is the right choice for you. While it can provide a safety net for occasional overdrafts, relying on overdraft protection as a regular practice can result in expensive fees and financial strain.